Hi, I'm Laura.
And I'm Mary Beth. And we are
Fat Bird Finds. Each week, we'll share some of our latest and greatest finds with you.
But Laura, what are we going to find? Atlantis? Bigfoot? Nessie?
No, Mary Beth, you know, we find hidden treasures.
Oh, like that movie. You know I love Nicolas Cage.
Great. Anyway, we find everyday treasures, vintage and retro pieces long forgotten and discarded in thrift stores, flea markets, auctions, and yard sales. We'll search through the junk piles and dig out the coolest pieces to show you. You can tell us what you think of our latest finds in the comments below.
I think you're forgetting the most important part.
And what would that be?
All of our Fat Bird finds are available on our eBay store. So if you see something you like, it could be yours.
You're right, that is important.
So stay tuned for Fat Bird Fridays to see what Fat Bird finds next.